Hey guys, today we're going to go over the maximum depth of binary tree. In LeetCode, this question is easy. So given the root of a binary tree, return its maximum length. A binary tree's maximum length is the number of nodes along its longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf node. So in this case, it would be from here all the way to here. So this is a length of 3. Right, and it gives us no other example. So let's get started. We want to have our base case, right? So we write an if condition, and inside our base case, if root is equal to null, we just want to return 0. Then we want to declare our left depth value as an integer, and we're going to recursively call it to the left side. And we also declare our right depth as an integer, and we recursively call it to the right side. And then we want to return either left or right depth. So we have a condition if left depth is greater than the right depth, then we return the left depth. Otherwise, we return the right depth. But we also need to account for the current node that we're at, so we need to plus 1. So if you run this, yep, it passes. So just to clarify, let's just use this example. So we're currently at 3, and then we would run into this. So we would recursively call max depth until we're here, and then once we reach the null values, it will just return 0, right? So we know that this path is the length of 2. But then once it recurses to this line here, when we call it to the right side, so it will go here, and then it will go down here again. And we know that both of these, this is a leaf node, right? So over here, it will return 1. It goes back up here, return 1, and return 1. So this is a length of 3, which is the same length as that. So it would return 3. So now we can submit. Cool, and we beat almost 90% and 90%, so that's pretty solid.